Simplicity in design is key. So today I want to show you how to create such a cool diagram in PowerPoint. Let's start by inserting a circle. Remember to hold down the Shift key to make the circle perfectly symmetrical. Let's set the size to 8 centimeters in height and width. Now let's duplicate it, making each new circle 1 centimeter smaller. So this one is 7, this one is 6, and this one is 5. Let's center align them and make them all white. Yes, I know it seems strange, but trust me. The fun part is adding a shadow under each circle. We can adjust these shadows by tweaking the settings. Let's make it look just like this. Now let's insert some text. Next, let's choose a nice shape. We need a shape called a callout bent line with no border. Insert the text. Change the fill color to no fill. And set the outline to gray. The text needs to be visible, so I'm choosing blue. Align it to the left, make it bold, and then duplicate it. Change the text and align it properly. To place everything evenly and symmetrically, it helps to set up a couple of additional guides. This way you can see exactly where to position the text boxes to keep everything tidy. Now let's align both text to the top and duplicate them. Next, go to the Arrange option, select Rotate and flip horizontal. Do some fine-tuning with the alignment. And then change the text. Now let's find some nice icons. Place them properly. And change their color to blue. Now let's add some animation. I'll use the wipe and fade options here. Okay, how do you like it? I hope you do, but that's not all. I have an idea for an alternative version. So here it is. Instead of having white circles in the center of the slide, I want to place a nice image inside these circles. So ungroup the circles, select one of them, and go to the Shape Fill option. Choose the Picture option and select an image. I've got a nice picture ready. Just make sure it's in a square format. Otherwise, it will get distorted when placed in the circle. Now let's adjust the settings for each picture. So go to the Fill section and change the transparency settings. The largest picture should be at least 80% opacity or transparency, with the others gradually decreasing. Lastly, change the text color to white and add a shadow for a better visibility. So, which option do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to become a master of presentations but don't know where to start, check out my online course on professional PowerPoint presentations. See you next time!